It's been a few months now since you took out a small loan to pay for your Summer 19 festival ticket. Coachella. Maybe it wasn't a small loan, but you surely worked your butt off for it, and now you're sitting here only a month away from the big event wondering how the frick you are supposed to afford not only 1, but 3 fire outfits for the weekend. Do you do it all again? Pawn off your boyfriend's expensive camera equipment? Sell pics of your feet on the internet?
Sarah, did you see?
How to sell pictures of your feet, because I sell pictures of my feet. Well, so I'm a writer for my day job, but like if I want to make a little extra cash on the side, I sell pictures of my feet.
Luckily, I'm here today to share with you guys some affordable pieces that are very versatile that will get you through your entire festival season. I'm gonna show you how to get the most bang for your buck out of these pieces so that you don't need to feel obligated to wear them while you're walking the dog, doing the dishes, cooking dinner, to the grocery store. Because trust me, festival raver Sarah has been there and has spent a small fortune on that neon top glittery bustier that you literally sweat your butt off in and never want to wear again. So wanted to thank Boohoo for sponsoring this video. They have a ton of good options right now up in their festival section, all for really affordable prices, and I'm so content, honestly guys, with everything that I got in this haul. I've been like wearing bits and pieces of it already, and yeah, we're just gonna whiz through this haul part so I can then show you how I style outfits that are perfect for festival season and then also perfect for wearing out on your day-to-day activities, so you're getting the most bang for your buck. All right, so I'm gonna divide this into 2 sections. We have your typical girly festival vibe, and then we have your bold kind of raver, neon-esque, on-trend vibe. So let's get into what I got. Picked up this off-the-shoulder, super cute, lace up the front little dress. This polka dotted, open back, tie neck, super Instagrammy polka dotted top. This one shoulder, fluffy little number, and these red top stitch flare crop pants. Just a couple little basic items to throw in there in the middle. Everyone needs a good white tank for festival season. This one already has my self tanner on it, so I apologize about that. This blue hoodie, because we all know it gets cold out there in the festival grounds and no one is ever prepared for it. And these amazing, incredible Doc Marten dupe boots, which have the zipper, so they're super easy to get in and out of. They're durable. Someone steps on your toes, you're not gonna be breaking one, so we love that. On to the more vibrant goods. We have a little post-festival neon striping top stitch mini dress, vibrant AF, pink joggers, the essential reflective zip-up jacket, the fanny pack. Are you even prepared for festival season if you don't own a fanny pack? The matching neon bikini, and then again for the AP festival goer, the Flame Fuego heels. Watch out, come here, come here. Here are the thrifted items that I added into this little fun mixture in order to make these outfits a little bit more daytime appropriate. These are probably things you all already have in your wardrobe. I'm so excited about this first look because I think this dress is perfect for so many things. I would definitely wear this to a festival or just to like a fancy little brunch activity. It stays on really well. It's like kind of fitted around the butt, which is great because if you're jumping, raving, you know, Tiesto's playing a banger, you just want to be feeling secure. So love this. It's all in the accessories. So here we have another very brunch appropriate item. So the first look I'm showing you guys here is just something I would wear out in the summer, feeling very girly for once, because usually I just wear like my boyfriend's clothes or men's thrifted items, but this is a nice switch up. I think it's really cute, very flattering, great material, and if you want to spice it up for a festival and you're not someone that's going to be going too wild, I just recommend, again, putting on some fun accessories, those white chunky boots, which are super comfortable, and you're going to be looking a little bit more fun and fresh. Coincidentally, my warmest look is also using the Canadian colors, so I just thought it was fitting to call it the Canadian Fit. It's definitely more for like a chillier festival environment. We have this really fun white fluffy long but super crop top, which I'm going to show you how to wear in a different way, and then these really fun pants. So very comfortable, a little more modest. Here I paired that super cropped fluffy little number with an all denim look, so very Canadian again, but this is just really fun again if you're going out in the summer, high school parties, just living it up, feeling free. And yeah, I feel like I'm a little too old for that. And bam, all of a sudden she is ready to go study and be studious after all that partying on the weekends at the music festival / music festivals happen in the summer. Anyways, you guys get the vibe. These pants are super versatile. These pants are definitely not going to be for everyone, but I'm going to show you a more modest look as well. I just am a huge fan of pink. They're super comfortable. I love that like track pants and athletic wear is so popular right now because it makes it so much comfier than what like I used to wear back when I went to good old raves. This ish is comfy. So I don't look comfortable there, but I'm just switching it up with a plain white bodysuit and some sneakers to make it a little bit more wearable, like still not every day, but like if you're going out here at night kind of look. Popping on that reflective jacket again. It is super bold, but as you guys can see here with a basic top and bottoms, it looks kind of wearable and just like you have a super fly sense of style. Getting a fun bikini is honestly like the biggest festival outfit life hack, and most bikinis these days are actually like more material, more wearable than a lot of crop tops. So I just found this really fun neon one, paired it with that fanny pack, and it's also just perfect to wear to the beach or to a pool party. You can wear them so many different times, and as I said, there's so many different styles. So here I'm just taking off the accessories, making it more like beach day appropriate, and you're good to go. You have a full other fit. Whipping out the spicy party dress. Not even gonna lie, guys, this is definitely like way out of my comfort zone. She does not wear tight little dresses and heels anymore, but I felt a little bit more comfortable with the jacket over top. And here I am showing you how you can take it from night to day to night, whatever you want, just tucking it into those shorts. Yep, I now realize that my fly is down. You don't even realize that it was a dress because it was so little to begin with. Then I just threw on the chunky boots to make it a little bit more comfortable, and you're good, you're chill, you're good to go. Another more chill look, just because I kind of forgot to show you guys how I would wear the hoodie, even though you could pretty much throw it on over top of everything. This is for that gal who just like doesn't need to stand out at the festival, but you know, she's there and she still looks cool. So maybe you're just going to see the last act. You only care about the weekend / she only cares about the weekend type of look. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope it gave you some major inspo for upcoming festival season, and I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.